National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme southeastern Brevard County in Florida and River County in Florida until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected an outflow boundary generated by a line of severe thunderstorms which is expected to produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour along the line from Barefoot Bay to Blue Cypress Lake to 6 miles west of Blue Cypress Lake and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Midco, Roseland, Fellsmere, Sebastian Inlet Recreation, Sebastian, Vero Lake Estates, Wabasso, Winter Beach, Indian River Shores, Gifford, Vero Beach South, South Beach and Vero Beach Islands. Damaging winds in excess of 58 miles an hour can't be expected. Frequent lightning and very heavy rain will also occur. If the storm approaches you, seek shelter in an enclosed building on the lowest floor. Keep away from windows. The line of storms that produced the south flow boundary has a history of producing widespread wind damage across central Florida. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.